A for apple.
Apple means seb.
B for ball.
Ball means gent.
C for cat.
Cat means Billy.
D for dog.
Dog means kutta.
E for egg.
Egg means anda.
F for fish.
Fish means machli.
G for grapes.
Grapes means angur.
H for hen.
Hen means murgi.
I for ice cream. Ice cream means
Ice cream.
J for jug.
Jug means jug.
K for kite.
Kite means patang.
L for lion.
Lion means sure. M for mango.
Mango means
Aam.
N for nest. Nest means ghosla.
O for orange.
Orange means santra.
P for parrot.
Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Queen means rani.
R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश.
जो चालाक बच्चे होते हैं वो सब्सक्राइब करते हैं. S for sun.
Sun means Suraj.
T for tiger.
Tiger means bat.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means chata.
V for van.
Van means gadi.
W for watch.
Watch means घड़ी.
X for xylophone.
Xylophone means संगीत का बजा. Y for yak.
Yak means एक बड़ा जानवर.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means
Zebra.
प्यारे बच्चों, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और वीडियो को लाइक करो.